Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming components and power. Attach the RC522 to your microcontroller, SDA to D10, SCK to D13, MOSI to D11, MISO to D12, RSD to D9, 3V and G and D. Make sure voltage matches the reader. Once done, power the controller from a stable 5V supply and keep the lock power separate if it draws heavy current. You do this to prevent brownouts and to isolate logic from high current lock coils. This prevents resets while you program the board. You now implement the logic. Load an Rfid library and write code to read tag UIDs, compare them against a stored whitelist, and set a digital pin to drive the relay. Use a transistor or a relay module with optocoupler and flyback diode to protect the microcontroller from inductive spikes. Once authorized, energize the relay for a timed unlock, 2 to 5 seconds, then release. Make sure to persist new UIDs safely in EEPROM or an SD card, and add simple debouncing to avoid double triggers. You finish by mounting hardware and validating power and operation. Secure the reader and lock, route wiring neatly, and use common ground between controller and lock power if required. Test with multiple tags and observe serial output to confirm correct UID reads. If the lock doesn't actuate, first check the 5V and 12V rails with a multimeter, then verify relay coil continuity and driver wiring. If reads fail, swap tags and check antenna connection. Most problems are power, wiring, or library mismatch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.